So, good morning, welcome back again. Today we are seeing some extra example what we saw yesterday, that is on the ratio and percentage. Ratio and percentage. We are going to see some extra examples today. I hope yesterday's exercise you might have completed. If you have got any problem today, whatever I am going to solve here on the board, understand that and try to solve your difficulties. Now, let's go for some examples. Like here, you have to express the given percentage into fraction, or first in ratio and then in fraction. Okay, so first we will convert into ratio and then only we can convert it into fraction. So 220% extra examples. Convert 220% into fraction. Into fraction. So 220% can be written as 220 upon 100. Now this 0 will be cancelled and also we can divide by 2, so we get 11 here and 5 here. So the fraction is 11 upon 5. Now this is improper fraction, so we can convert these into mixed fraction. 2 and 1 upon 5. Got it clear? So 2 and 1 upon 5 is nothing but 220%. We have to express in decimals. Now let's see one example. Express 72% in decimal. in decimal. Now 72% can be written as 72 upon 100. Now when you want to convert this into decimal, it is very simple. Just we have to take the decimal here 2 places ahead and here also 2 places ahead. So it will become 0.72 upon 1 equal to 0.72. So we have converted the percentage into decimal. One more example we can take. Say 125% equal to 125 upon 100. So here what can be, now you can see here 25 is the common multiple of these two. So we divide by 25, we get 4 here, and if we divide this by 25, you get 5 here. So we get 5 upon 4, and when we convert into decimals, we have 1.25. Or directly from this, instead of converting into ratio, we can directly also convert here into ratio decimals like this, shifting the decimal by 2 places. So it will be 1.25 upon 1, that is 1.25. So these are the things when we solve the bigger numerical. Sometimes it is being said that write your answer in the decimal form, write your answer in the mixed fraction this way. So you must know how to convert the ratio or the percentage into ratio, and then that ratio into fraction or decimals. Got it clear? For this, this was there. Now express each of the following as percentage. We have to convert into percentage. Let's take one example. Fractions are being given here. You have to convert into decimals. Sorry, percentage. You have to convert into percentage. So convert 3 upon 125 in percentage. Now these you have to convert into percentage. So what we have to do is, actually here first of all, what we'll do is 3 upon 125 equal to 3 upon 125 multiplied by 100 upon 100. Now when it is given, you have to convert into percentage. The denominator has to be converted into 100. Now here we get the ready-made 100. Now we have to manage this. For that we can cut down this, divide this by 25, we get 4. Divide this by 25, we get 5. So what we get? Equal to. Now here 3 upon 5 into 4. Now 12 upon 5. 12 upon 5. So 12 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 100. Or we can write this as 12 upon 5 upon 100. We can write this way. Now divide this 12 by 5. What you get? You get 2 point. 2 point. Here becomes 24. 2.4 upon 100. Now here your denominator is 100. So it will be equal to 2.4. You have converted the given fraction into percentage in this way. Got it clear? Got it clear? Or one more way, one more shortcut is there, but like I will show you. The given ratio is, or percentage fraction is 3 upon 125. Now instead of 125 we need 100 here. So what we have to do? We have to divide this by 25 or 5, sorry, 5 and multiply by 4. So what we will do is multiply by 4. Multiply by 4. So each will multiply by 4. And then divide by 5. Divide by 5. So what we get when we multiply this? You get 25 here. 25 fours are 100. So denominator becomes 100. And numerator 3 fours are 12 upon 5. And then Dividing this, you get 2.4 divided by 100 equal to 2.4%. This is the shortcut method. But you have to rely on these steps. These steps are very important. Yes, when the bigger numericals are there and this is one small part of the numerical, then you can go by the shortcut method. Convert the ratio to percentage. So convert 4:5 to percentage. You have to convert this ratio into percentage. So 4/5 equal to 4/5. Now to achieve 100 in the denominator, you have to multiply these by 20. So just multiply this 50 by 20 to get 100. So we have to multiply numerator also by 20. So what we get? 40 into 20 is 80 and 20 into 5 is 100. 80/100. Got it clear? Equal to 80%. So you have converted the ratio 4:5 into percentage, which comes out to be 80%. Now, one interesting example is which one is largest. There are 3 different quantities given in 3 different ways. First is percentage, second is ratio, and third is decimal. So, which is the largest? Which is the largest in 6 and 2/3%, 3/20, 3/20, and the third one is 0.14. Now you have to find out which one is the largest. So the best way is to convert all into percentage. Okay, so first one, as it is given in the mixed fraction, we can write it as 6 and 2/3% equal to 20/3% equal to, just divide it 20/3. What we get? 6. 6 is the 18, remains 2, 20. Point means 20. 6, 3 6 are 18 again. So 6 is recurring. I will write 3.66666. So I will take 67%. 3.67%. The first one. Second one is 3/20. Now I have to convert this first into percentage, and for that what I will do is 3/20 multiplied by 25 are 100, so here also 5 equal to 15/100 equal to 15%. And last one is 0.14 equal to 0.14 1/4 into 100 upon 100. Now when I multiply these by 100, this decimal will be shifted by 2 places and here it will come back. So 1 into 14 means 14 upon 100 is nothing but 14%. Now in percentage, which is the greatest one? This is the greatest one, right? So we can write in that manner by taking this given quantity, that is 3/20 is greater than 0.14 is greater than 6 and 2/3%. Got it clear? So this is your final answer, that 3/20 is the greatest one. What percent of two liters? What percent of 2 liters is 250 ml? Now see here, when I say that we are comparing the things, our chapter is comparing quantity. When the two quantities are being compared, the unit should be always same. Here the units are different. Here it is liter, here it is ml. So first we have to convert the unit or make the same units, right? Now let's do one thing. We can convert this ml into liters or liter into ml. It is your choice what you can do. I will convert that 250 ml into liter. Now as 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Therefore 1/4 liter equal to 1000/4 ml. And therefore 0.25 liter equal to 250 ml. Now see, 250 ml is nothing but 0.25 liter. Now I have to find the percentage of 2 liters. What percent of 2 liter is 250 ml? Therefore 0.25 is to 2 equal to 0.25/2 into. Now here I need 100. So I will convert it to 100. For that I multiply by 50. So I multiply the numerator also by 50. Or the second way is that directly multiply by 100/100. These 2 ones are 2. 50 to the 100 will get 50 in numerator and denominator will be 100. So anyway you can go it. Equal to, now 50 multiplied by 0.25. So this decimal will come 2 places ahead, and here the decimal will come 2 places back. 25 into 5 is 125, and decimal after 1 place, that is 12.5. So 0.25 multiplied by 50 is nothing but 12.5 upon 100 equal to 12.5%. So our answer is 12.5%. So what percent of 2 liter is 250 ml? The percent of 250 ml compared to 2 liter is 12.5%. That is, or in other words, 250 ml is 12.5% of 2 liters. Therefore, 250 ml is 12.5% of 2 liters. This will be your final answer. Got it clear? So these are the conversions what we need, what we may need in solving some of the problem. Now 1 or 2 word problems we'll see. Amit was given an increment of 20% on his salary. So how much was the increment? 20% was the increment on his salary. His new salary is rupees 30,600. Increment on salary. Equal to 20%. How much was the increment obtained? 20%. New salary amount. Equal to rupees 30,500. This is the new salary, sorry, 600 it is. What was his salary before the increment? It is 600. Now you have to find the original salary. Let the original salary be X. Okay. Now he has got, now this salary is 100%. This salary is 100%, and this salary is 100 plus 20 means 120%. So we can draw both into the ratios. Therefore, X upon 100, because X salary is 100%, equal to the ratio of the two, that is the percentage increase, percentage of salary, original salary is 100%, and the percentage increase is 20. So earlier it was 100%, so it will be 120%. 100 plus 20 is 120, and the amount becomes how much? 30,600. Now we have got the relation. Now here what we have to do is, this 0 will be cancelled here. Can you divide this by 12? See, 12 2s are 24, 6, 12 5s are 60. Yes, it is divisible. So, I will divide this by 12, 1. 12 2s are 24, remains 6, 66. 12 5s are 60, remains 6, 60 again, 12 5s are 60. Therefore, x equal to 5 multiplied by 100. Therefore, x equal to 500. So, his original salary was 25,500. Therefore, the salary before increment equal to 25,500. So before increment the salary was 25,500. Now these can be solved in one more way. How? We can solve this by, now what was the salary? This is 330,600 divided by 20 plus 100, that is 100 plus 20. This is the shortcut method, multiplied by x equal multiplied by 100 equal to x equal to x. Therefore, x will be equal to 30600 upon 120 multiplied by 100. 255 equal 140. So here what we get, 25500. Isn't it straight? This is the shortcut. So this is the way how we can find out very easily. Let us see one last example today. Divide rupees 7,000 among A, B, C such that A gets 50% of what B gets and B gets 50% of what C gets. Total amount is 7,000. Total amount is 7,000. Now, it is being divided into 3% A, B and C. So, amount obtained by A equal to 50% of B. Amount obtained by A is 50% of B, and B gets amount obtained by B equal to 50% of C. 50% of C. and amount obtained by C equal to say X. Now see here, it has been given that amount obtained by A is 50% of B and amount obtained by B is 50% of C. And C gets, we don't know how much. So let's consider that as X. Okay. Therefore, amount obtained by A, B and C equal to 7,000. Therefore, now C is X, so I will write it as X plus. I will go in reverse. Now B obtains 50% of C, that is X upon 2. And A obtains 50% of this. Now 50% of this means X upon 2 upon 2. So 2 2s are 4. That is X upon 4. X upon 4. Now this sum to be 7,000. So take the answer here. X plus 2x plus 4x upon 4 equal to 7,000. Therefore, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7x upon 4 equal to 7,000. 7 1 are 7, 1,000. So X equal to 4 into 4 into 1,000 equal to 4,000. So X itself, that is C, obtains how much? Rupees 4,000. Now, finally, amount obtained by A equal to X upon 4 equal to 4,000 upon 4 equal to rupees 1,000. Amount obtained by B equal to X upon 2 equal to 4,000 upon 2 equal to rupees 2,000. And amount obtained by C equal to X equal to rupees 4,000. So A got 1,000 rupee, B got 2,000 rupee and C got 4,000 rupee. The total is 7,000. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7,000. So 7,000 was distributed in this way. A was being given 1,000 rupees, B was given the 2,000 rupees and C was given 4,000 rupees. So this is the way how we can solve the numericals based on the ratio and percent. Got it? Thank you. Next lesson we'll go for the next part of this lesson. Up till then, goodbye.